Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an atomic cappuccino espresso machine. Now for this machine we just pretty much unclogged the steamer one, which was really clogged, and it definitely, yeah, it was just looking terrible. I have a couple of pictures over here. Just give me 1 second. The steamer one was just looking really bad. In there it was just a bunch of coffee or old parts in there, and it was just completely clogged all the way through, so we had to disassemble the whole thing, and we just had to deep clean it. And now, as you can see, working perfectly fine, having excellent work flow, working excellent. And there you have it, atomic cappuccino working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.